Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be solving doubts on the question that is how to subscribe Bluesky. So Bluesky Social does not require a subscription fee as it is a free platform for users. To access Bluesky, you can download the application on iOS or Android or visit their website. Once there, you can simply sign up and create an account, choose a handle, and customize your feed based on your interests and topics. Bluesky aims to provide a user-centric social media experience, focusing on customization and community-driven content creation. So, that was a simple answer to your question that there is no subscription on Bluesky. You can simply sign up for free using your credentials, and that's all there is to subscribing Bluesky. If you want to learn how to sign up for Bluesky, you can go to our channel and search for sign up on Bluesky and watch one of our tutorials on how to sign up on Bluesky. So that was a simple answer to your question. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.